thank you so much for being here. I hope each of you are having an absolutely wonderful Saturday, and I am excited. As you can see from the description below, today we do have another unboxing. This is the April 2019 Bauble mail. I love this subscription. Last month was my first month with it, and it's an earring subscription, and it is amazing. I'll tell you a little bit about it in just a second, but first I do again just want to thank you for being here and remind you guys I do have an active giveaway going on right now. It is in my Disney Villains ColourPop video, and all you have to do is follow the directions in that video and we will choose a winner on April 18th. Also, we are getting so close. Last time I checked, we were just like 25, 24 away from 2,000. So please do, if you are new, consider hitting that subscribe button, because once we hit 2,000, we are going to have a fantastic giveaway. I do giveaways all the time, but this, you guys, I'm telling you, it's probably my favorite one yet. So also, please do go ahead and hit that like button. It does help me out. Also, leave a comment telling me about your day and what you thought of the video. I love hearing from you guys. All right, so let's get into Bauble mail. Also, if you see right here where it looks like I may have a bruise, I promise I don't. I finally got some new lighting and it just, I gotta play around with it. So if things seem brighter, that is why. I did finally get some new equipment, so things are just a little still kind of learning. So, Bauble mail. Again, this is an earring subscription. It is $8.95 a month, which is awesome. That is a great deal. You can go in and choose the option of gold, silver, trendy gold, or trendy silver. So you have 4 options, and my selection is trendy silver. Last month I got the cutest pair, and it was a pair of earrings that I had nothing similar to. It was like a loop and then it dangled. It was so cute, and I actually had someone leave a comment, and I thought this was so awesome that there was one of the characters in This Is Us wearing the same pair. Hers were gold, so of course I love that show, so I checked out the latest episode, and of course she was, so I was like, hey, I have a pair of earrings like her. So I want to dive in here and see what we got this month. Again, this is for April 2019. So let me open this up. One thing too that I think is so awesome with Bauble mail, the curator of this box always puts like a little snack, treat, something, and yes we do. We have, looks like some little, last month it was a sucker, and this month it looks like we've got 2 little candies. So I think that is so sweet and just an extra little nice touch. And then this is what it comes in. It comes in like a little sachet bag, and let's see, there's always the little card. Says, you are amazing. Yes, you are. Don't ever let anyone tell you otherwise. Love, Rebecca. Tuck this card someplace. You'll see it this month to be reminded. So I think that is awesome. So this is always, there's always a card in here with like some kind of inspirational little thing, and you can tuck it away and come across it when you need to. I think that's fantastic too. So let's get our little box out. Ooh, I'm excited. Are y'all ready? Y'all, these are so cute. Oh my gosh, I love these. Okay. So again, first of all, I love that there's always like, it's personalized with the company's name. And they come like this. Are those not just so cute? Those are so cute. And actually, if I'm not mistaken, I do believe, I could be wrong, but I believe Miss Kitty from Kitty's Boxes, if you haven't checked her out, definitely do. Last month, she unboxed this for March, and she got this same pair in gold, which is awesome. So that's really neat that if, like, say you like this pair, but you prefer gold, apparently the different earrings come in different colors. So that's great. It's not like there's just certain ones that are silver and then you have certain ones that are just gold. I did not put earrings on today because obviously I know I was unboxing this and I wanted to put them on. So let me take this stuff off. And we're going to put them on. Yeah, it really does. It looks like I have a bruise, but when I turn, I don't know, I have to play around with this lighting. Trying to make my videos better for you guys. All right. Oh, okay, this is another thing, and this was the same way with the first pair. I love these because they are not heavy. Like, that's one thing about earrings. Sometimes, especially when you have dangle earrings, they can be kind of heavy or, you know, just feel like they're weighing your ears down. These don't. These are light. These are just fun. The dangle, I love it, y'all. So this, oh, I love these. Oh, I'm so excited. These are gorgeous. And it's only $8.95. You get a little treat and free shipping. So I will leave a link down below if you would like to sign up, and let me know what you guys think. I think they're so precious. Adorable. So again, Bauble mail for April, I almost said May, not quite yet, April 2019. I hope you all again have a fantastic Saturday, and don't forget, hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, tell me how your day is, what you think of the earrings, the subscription in general. I think for the cost, for the value, it is perfect. So have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys at the next one.